Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to share Instagram reel story to WhatsApp status. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application and suppose we are making a story like clicking a picture. And so if we post it to our story and suppose it is currently being posted, just wait for it to post. So yeah, here you will find the option of share to. And here goes the several options. Among them there is WhatsApp. And here you will find the option of my status. Tap on my status and tap on the tick button. And tap on the plane icon. And here goes the WhatsApp status. Let me show you in my WhatsApp. So go to updates and go to my status. So yeah, this is how you can see the stories of my Instagram status. So yeah, hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.